In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size and the screen size in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're having trouble reading text or simply want to make the interface more user-friendly, adjusting these settings can make your experience much more enjoyable. Let's start by customizing the display within the Teams app itself, which is incredibly useful for when you need a little extra clarity. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you've got Teams up and running, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the window where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the Settings option and select it. Now, you're in the Settings menu, where you'll find various options to tailor the Teams experience to suit your needs. Under the General tab in the Settings menu, you should see a section that allows you to change the app's appearance, including the font size. Here, find the drop-down labeled Font Size or something similar, and you'll typically have options ranging from small to large. Select the size that best meets your needs, and Microsoft Teams will adjust accordingly, giving you a clearer view of all text within the application. If you want to go a step further, perhaps increasing the entire screen size, including visuals, this part is quite simple. If you're using a Windows PC, the easiest method is to utilize the built-in zoom function. On your keyboard, press and hold the Control key, then tap the key to zoom in, enlarging not just the text but the entire screen. This method is great for when you need a little bit more than just larger text, as it increases the entire visual scope of Teams. To zoom out, simply repeat the process but use the key instead. For Mac users, the process is similar. Hold down the Command key and press to increase the screen size, or to decrease it, depending on your preference. It's a straightforward way to ensure everything on your display is comfortably visible. And there we have it, you've successfully adjusted both the font and screen sizes in Microsoft Teams. By tweaking these settings, you can navigate your workspaces with ease, ensuring everything is perfectly readable and accessible for your specific needs. Remember, comfort in viewing can greatly enhance productivity, especially when you're spending a significant amount of your day within Microsoft Teams. I hope this guide has been helpful, and that your Teams experience is now more efficient and tailored to your liking. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials to optimize your digital workspace.